fake tarot readers and real tarot readers and real mediums. Listen, I've met in my life only one tarot reader, one medium, and that was a woman living in Poland near Częstochowa city. She was old, so she is dead, but she predicted many things which happened in my life, and I really appreciate that woman. She was the real one. But in reality, 99% of so-called spiritual people, psychic people, love and peace people online, stars seeds online, all those who claim that they have supernatural gifts and they are tarot readers, real, they are fake as hell. Look at those people, they copy each other, these are copycats. Many of them read things, literally read things and show you readings, books and everything. Why? Because they are fake. They read many news about people's stories, life stories, like from history, from all over the world, and they present it as like it's happening in your life. Readings are general, and tarot readings can be received, I call it all, from the above. So it's natural if you even don't have books, if you don't have trainings, but you are doing it and your work shows, it means that you are the real one. And I haven't met even one tarot reader who is real, or astrologist online who is real. I see only book readers, news readers, people's history readers, and I may spot who is the real one when it comes to mediums, when it comes to tarot readers. Many tarot readers and so-called tarot readers are hackers, not me. Are stalkers, hackers, are just news readers, like they pin themselves into people's channels, celebrities' channels, like other people's channels, and what they see, they do tarot readings on these people like crazy, but just disgusting even. And those people have no boundaries, like even talking about sexual life of stars, of royals, of authorities, revealing what FBI and other special forces are just doing behind the scenes. Is just like, and they are still there doing what they are doing, revealing what should not be revealed, and people do nothing about that. Listen, I don't give names, I don't talk about others, when it comes to necromancy, other things, I try not to deliver too much information because that's private. Many things are just private. And these tarot readers, just like 60% that I've subscribed, are just linked up to my profile, other profile on YouTube channel, and they simply do tarot readings based on other stories. They said, for instance, that she has a big bag with jewels. I don't have jewels in my bag. I have exercising book and something else. That's all what I had in my life. I had no jewels. But how many people got robbed because of these stupid tarot readers? And they said, these fake tarot readers, that royals and other important people should sleep with whoever they want. Because of these people, many royals destroyed their royal blood. And they just disrespected themselves. And because they listened to the wrong tarot readings, fake tarot readers, like about me. When it comes to me, I may tell you that all tarot readers who try to do tarot readings on the other of my channels are blocked, are simply blocked in doing that. So they will be creating stories like, you know, they added that there were some people who simply cut at me, who did wrong to me. I'm not going to tell you the whole story. Then these tarot readers got so jealous that they turned the story against me, all against me, because of me telling the truth, that they are 99% of fake ones. They are real mediums. They are. They are real supernatural people. They are. And they are also fakers, help people, and copycats. And these are 99% online. So it's better for you to check. Even if you would interact with me, do anything with me, I don't want any payment from you, literally, because they are scammers, hackers. And if anyone took cash from you till now, claiming to be Messiah Esoterica, you should go to that people. They should be just, you know, pseudo something, because it was not me. Remember, video chats, and not only video chats, to check simply if it's me or not. I'm original, I'm not fake. And even if I look like shit today, I would just record myself and send it to you. If not, it means that it was somebody fake who faked being me to get cash from you. So stay aware about that. Stay aware about that, really. It's just so many nasty people, and tarot readers are just talking shit about themselves around in their own circles. I'm not going to mention names, surnames, other things, but there was a woman who even stole my cards and stole my persona and my hair and pretended to me because I had long hair in first reading, and she just even copied my photo with these eyes from that Messiah Esoterica profile. Just people get so crazy that they are able to kill just to be, but even without cards, even without all things I have, these people can't be me. Never. They may try to be doppelganger, they will be never me. If I'm dead, they will be still copies, and their ideas will get vanished. So I'm not sorry to say I'm original and I'm real, and I don't need to prove anything. Thank you.